I don't want to ruin it.
You don't want to ruin
They're
it?
done.
Okay. That looks good. No milk, but we're going to use creamer. Yes. Hey, what's going on here with your stove?
It's filthy.
Oh, I know what you're going to do. You're going to take this stuff, and if you guys haven't been watching my videos, you need to watch my mother and I. And she shows you how to clean these. See all the black marks here? It's virtually impossible to take a scouring pad and get all this black stuff off. And she's got a really cool way to do it. And I think, Momi, you saw that video, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah. And we're gonna take ammonia and we're gonna clean that, but it's done in a very special way. We're gonna take a garbage sack, aren't we? We're gonna put that stuff in there with ammonia, and that's gonna clean this stuff off. I'm not gonna show you the entire a new video, but you're gonna have to watch that one that my mother and I do. See all this black stuff here? All that stuff you can get rid of with that. But this video was really about how to change that halogen bulb there, and we've done it, and that one's fine now. The light's working, and this one is not working. And if you haven't watched that video, I show you how to remove that one, and I've got it all over here. And we've got to take, that was a different one, so you can watch that video. I took that all apart. You don't have to be an electrician for that. Where's that ballast that we're going to replace? Oh, here it is. This was the bugger. This was bad, okay? And that was up inside the light fixture, and I had to take it all down. We're going to take that to the electrical store, a lighting store, and we're going to get a new one of those. So stick around, and I'll show you how to put that back together on another video.
That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.